we're gonna try to start the car. Okay. It's a little hot in here. Whoa. 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 Who is that? Damn it. Why has it got to be so hot right now? Oh, yeah. Buddy. That took a lot less time than it has. Right on. Now we're driving.